Welcome back, Pre-K. Today in math, we are going to learn a different kind of story. We're going to learn a subtraction story. And subtraction is when we take things away. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks. Now, out of my 5 ducks, some of them want to go outside to play. So 2 of my ducks want to go out and play. So I'm going to take 2 ducks away. 1, 2. How many ducks are left? 1, 2, 3. I had 5 ducks. I took away 2, and that left me with 3 ducks. So 5 take away 2 is 3. Now out of my 3 ducks, 1 wants to go outside to play. So I have 1, 2, 3 ducks. I'm going to take 1 duck away. So 3 take away 1 is 1, 2. That's how we subtract. Now we're going to look at our book and use our subtraction stories here. You're going to have to help me. Are you ready? Our book is called How Many Are Left? Making pancakes is fun. 3 bowls are on my shelf. I'm going to take 1 bowl off the shelf. So I have 3, and I'm going to take 1 away. How many bowls are left? Can you count those bowls? Good job. 1, 2 bowls are left. So in our story, 3 take away 1 is 2. Good job. Here's our next subtraction story. How many cups of flour do I have? Can you count them? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get 5? Good job. Now, remember the X's mean we are taking some away. So we have 5 cups of flour, but we're taking how many away? 1, 2. How many cups of flour are left? Are you ready? How many do not have X's? How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So here's our story. 5 take away 2 is 3. Good job, guys. Ooh, how many eggs are in our carton? Can you count those? Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs are in our carton. Now, I'm really hungry, okay? So I'm going to take away 1, 2 eggs. I'm taking those eggs away. How many eggs are left? Are you ready? 1, 2. Good job. We started out with 4 eggs. I took 2 eggs away, and we have 2 left. Ooh, can you count how many spoons are in the jar? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get 5? Good job. Now, remember, the X means I'm taking those away. How many spoons am I going to take away? Good job, I'm taking away 1 spoon. So I started with 5, and I'm taking 1 away. How many are left now? Can you count how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? Good job. So I started out with 5 spoons. I took 1 away, and now I have 4. You are doing such a great job subtracting. Ooh, I love pancakes. I have how many in my pan? 1, 2, 3. Now, Mom puts 2 pancakes on my plate. How many are left in the pan? We started out with 1, 2, 3, but remember the X's mean you're taking those away. We take 1, 2 away. How many are left? Good job. 1 pancake. So here's our story. 3, take away 2 equals 1. Good job, everybody. Ah, look. He has how many pancakes on his plate? 1, 2. Good job. Now, look over here. He has 2 pancakes on his plate, but there's X's on them. He eats those 2 pancakes. How many pancakes are left? He has 2 pancakes and he eats 2 pancakes. Did you say 0? There are no pancakes left. 2, take away 2 is 0. Remember, 0 looks like an oval. Good job, guys. And here he is. He made his pancakes disappear. So you can do math stories today. I used my ducks earlier. You can use cars or crayons and do math stories. Here I go again. I have 3 ducks, but one of my ducks wants to go out to play. I start with 3. 1, 2, 3. But one wants to go out to play. So 3 take away 1 equals 1, 2. You can do math stories at home today. Have fun subtracting. Bye-bye.